I'm going to be cleaning out my fish's tank since it's been a week. Fishy, don't jump out. You need half of your waters. It's panicking. It's like, where's all the water going? So much water. Now I'm going to go a little bit more. A little bit more, right? Oh, the rocks are into that corner. Oh. I think that's something I'm going to keep. Okay, I'm going to pour this fresh water that we have left here. Go videotape the fish. Tank is clean.
Hello. My boys were asking me to buy them those BB guns, or whatever you call them, and I said I'm not gonna buy them, but I did buy them here, and I wanna do a surprise for them, and I wanna see the reaction of their faces. I bought 3 of those so they can do target shooting. And let's go and see their reaction. I'm gonna tell them to close their eyes and I'll show it to them and I'll get them ready and see their reaction. Open your thing.
What? What?
No way.
What? Yo!
What?
Yeah, what?
What?
Why did you drop it right away?
It's okay, I'll pick it up.
Is this already loaded?
No, don't shoot it here.
Not in the house.
Hey, don't shoot it.
What? Could I shoot it outside once?
Hold on, we're gonna go target shooting outside, yes. What are you doing, Leo?
I was just filling the bullets up in the mag. Okay, so welcome to the video, everybody. Hope you guys have a great day. And today we're just going to be shooting at some targets with these airsofts or BB guns. I don't know. And some targets, and hope you guys like it. Pretty sure it's BBs. Me.
Okay, Simon, shoot. Missed it.
Oh,
got it.
Whose turn is it?
Oh, now it's my turn.
Okay, now do this.
Oh, who made that big hole?
Joe, huh? I don't know. Get. Oh.
You ran out.
I keep getting into that little hole right there. Oh. Okay.
Here, just let go.
There you go.
Simon. Oh, look at all this.
I'm shooting now.
Okay, Eddie's gonna shoot at the trailer. Go ahead. Oh, you got it. Ding. Do it again.
Can I try to get the orange thing right there?
No, don't shoot at the lights. Just at the trailer. Missed it.
You skinned it. I
skinned it, the snow right there.
There you go, you got it.
Right?
It's empty. It's not. I'm gonna shoot at you. What? Just shoot me? Yeah, I just shot you. Get out. Okay. I felt that.
Hey.
I didn't feel that. Это ужасно cool.
Let's go. You guys stop.
You shoot me in my head.
One shot. Sorry, Pop. Oh, I got you right.
Come here, show me.
Joe, can I
Look
try
how mean
shooting
Joe
you?
is.
Wait.
Hey, Joe.
Why is it focusing? Come on, it's not
I'll
focusing.
shoot you in the head.
He got it right in my head.
People.
Whoa.
What will?
How did not pop? Ow.
No, don't look.
It didn't hurt that bad. Okay.
I'm gonna do this proning.
So, okay, 3 tries. You can do 3 tries. Missed. Okay, Simon's next. They're aiming to that bottle here. So, hey. Okay, Simon, go.
It wasn't even loaded.
Leo, look.
Missed.
Oh, I touched the wall.
Oh, got it.
It went up. Yeah.
Got it.
2 times you got it.
Okay, now Joe. Missed one. Missed second one.
Leo, though.
Missed third one. Not yet. Okay. Wow, first shot, got it.
First try. Let's go.
Okay, if you got first try, then
Okay, I'm gonna try again.
Mary, go away.
I got
3,
second and third.
2.
Wow, second one.
Wait, let me try this again. Oh, wait. One more time. Oh. First 2 got them straight up. That was easy.
Okay, now 80 tries. Missed.
He didn't even shoot, did he?
He did. Missed. Missed. Per лево опять. Simon so far the best стрелял.
I'm gonna hit it this round.
Really? And I got it on the video too. Joe is learning pamphlet. Okay, play that song.
Mary, don't. Oh, that's
Try again.
Angel, no.
Clean up time.
Yes, I have to shoot after. No, but I have to put the bullets in. I have to put the bullets. The bullets.
Leo, go.
Okay, about.
Hit that bottle.
Oh yeah, I'm still aiming. See if I.
Boom.
What did I get?
Okay, Leo, go.
Let me reload real quick. You can't even see with this thing.
Yeah!
Wow, first shot. Good job.
Oh, I have to load it.
He's very in his butt. Oh,
So guys,
second shot.
Okay, Delane's turn. Давай, let's hit it. Wow.
Well, I hope you guys liked that video. I'm sorry, this thing zoomed in. Well, I hope you guys liked that video. Make sure to subscribe, like it up, press the notification button to stay tuned on all the videos, and yeah, peace out.